This is us. You and me, the great human civilization, 6,000 years old. We have seen and been through it all. From holding stones and mud in our hands to a smartphone. How did we reach here? We believed. We believed we could do it. Do me a favor. Look up at the sky when it's night. What do you see? Stars. All of us know that there are stars in the sky. But those who invented the rocket were the first one to believe that we could actually reach them. Belief has always been the spinal cord of humanity. Look, every day I wake up and I have my self-doubts, my insecurities, just like you do. But I want to ask you, show me one successful person who didn't face failure, who lost his self-belief. In my story, I have learned that it's okay to make mistakes, but it's not at all okay to let these mistakes stop your journey. Shift the gears and get back on track. The way you believe in yourself today will define how they tell your story in the future. I wake up every day. I brush my teeth. I make my bed. And I believe in myself. It's a habit. Just like we train our muscles to make them grow, I train my mind these days to believe in me. I'm not telling you that everyone can believe in themselves. It's not easy. We all know it. But everyone has the potential to start. At least start. That's what I'm telling you. When everything feels lost, you have to realize that the universe will always have your back. If you believe in a God, also believe in the universe and its plans for you. Both aren't cruel. They are impartial. If you jump into the water, they will help you to reach the shore. But you have to take the leap of faith in the cold water first and just dive. Sometimes it gets really bad. Always remember that if tragedy pushes us into a ditch, belief is the hand that pulls you up. You and me, we are more than our almosts. More than I wish I had done this. Believe in yourself, because unless you do that, no one else will. The human body has 206 bones, 79 organs. But without our self-belief, we are just a skeleton on display in a biology lab. Believe that you are meant for more than this. Just believe.